everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. So as promised, me and little Bailey today are going to be doing a really cute flower girl stroke bridesmaid stroke bride style. Are you pulling funny faces at me? Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I've just pulled a few little bits from the front and I'm going to just pin these out the way and do the same on the other side. Well, I didn't believe in much. Now I've kind of just divided the hair guys, but as you can see I haven't got it knees, I haven't got it straight. You're not going to see that hairline anyway. Kind of half and half, okay? But as you can see, just slightly over, so it isn't dead centre on this front section here. And all you're going to be doing guys is a Dutch braid. So guys, as I said before, I want these sort of styles to be quite simplistic, quite quick, not too much prep. So all you're literally going to be doing in this section of hair is a Dutch braid, okay? So taking those sections underneath. You okay down there, Boo?
Yeah.
Good. And then as we kind of go, I will just do a little bit of teasing out. So nice and quick. I'm not thinking too much about what I'm doing. Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be super tight. I'm going to start my pulling out. Again, I don't want that to be too perfect either. Nice and quick. So if it's on a bride, you might just take your time a little bit more. But if it's on like a little flower girl, you should be able to get this done in about 10 minutes, okay? So this braid should take literally a matter of minutes to do. Bailey will be pleased to know because she wants to go and watch some TV with her sister. And then just a quick braid down. I'm going to leave a little bit of the tail because we've got a tiny bit of a curl at the end of the hair. A little bit of teasing as we go. Quick, 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 quick. And I'm just going to pop an elastic. And now I'm literally just going to take hold of this braid and I'm just going to kind of wrap it around my fingers and bring it back through like that and just pin it. Again, trying not to make it look too uniform. Want it right on the neckline there. And then I'll just get long grips, guys, and just push in one way. Can you see how I'm pushing one way and then folding back the other? So the next braid isn't going to sit on this left-hand side. It's also going to sit on the right. So the way we'll do that is, instead of doing a normal Dutch braid, I'm just going to be taking from this left-hand side. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm taking that first chunk of hair, I'm directing it over here, breaking it into three, guys. Underneath it goes like a normal Dutch braid, but I'm not adding on this side, okay? I'm only going to add on this left-hand side. Do you know how good you make my day now? How even just a smile can turn a sour mood around. And I hope you know I'll never take for granted what we found. This crazy thing we found. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. Oh. And now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, I never thought I'd find that. Stormy weather, you're my life. Pop an elastic in there. So that has literally taken another couple of minutes. And then I'm just kind of lifting that braid across a little bit, guys. Again, just getting these grips and just pushing them in where I need to. So I'm just lifting this braid where I have to, so placing it where I want it to go, sliding that in. And then you can kind of decide with this bit, guys. Do you want it to go all the way around? Do you want it to come back underneath? I think I'm going to kind of like pick it up and almost just kind of like squidge it in there. Who makes happiness feel effortless and makes cliches come true. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came along. Oh. Now it's like I write to you in every single song. 'Cause you're clever and you make me laugh. Oh, never thought I'd find that. Stole me away, you're my life after. I never thought I'd find that. Do you know how good you make my day? So that is mine and Bailey's style finish, guys. I hope you like it. But before you go, I'm going to do a little spin so you can see all angles. Take for granted what we found. This crazy thing we found. Well, I didn't believe in much till you came. So hopefully you enjoyed mine and Bailey's tutorial today. Please put in the comments if you did and if you're going to find it useful. 10-15 minute style. Shouldn't really take you much longer, so hopefully you will like it. And we'll see you next week for another video. Bye!